Hello, I'm Dr. Neeta Shah from Agarwal's Eye Hospital, Chembur, Ayush Eye Clinic, Microsurgery and Laser Center. I would like to tell you a little bit about the different types of IOLs which are available or lenses which are put in the eye when a cataract surgery is performed. We divide it into three main groups. First is the monofocal lens. Mono means single, where the lens has one power and it generally corrects the power for distance, and for near you need glasses. The second is toric, which corrects the number in a particular axis, so very useful in patients of astigmatism or those who have a cylindrical power. And last we have the trifocal or EDOF lenses, where you see far, intermediate and to a large extent near, and you would not need glasses or would need it very rarely to see very small, tiny, near things. Now, when a patient opts for monofocal lenses, he is prepared that he would need glasses for near. If at that time he has a cylindrical power and is not going for toric, he would need glasses for distance and near both. If he has a cylindrical power and goes in for a toric lens, he would not need glasses for distance, but he would need for near. In trifocal lenses also we have toric lenses. So if the patient has a cylindrical power and wishes to have less spectacle dependence, he can go in for a trifocal toric, where the far, the intermediate and to a large extent the near is corrected. At the same time, the cylindrical power is also taken care of. A small characteristic of the trifocal lens is that any point source of light spreads. So the television light or the mobile light will not spread, or the computer light will not spread, but a point source of light like a bulb or a candle would spread. So we have extended depth of focus lenses also, which are called EDOF, which give a continuous range of vision. The lens does not have any rings like the trifocal lens, and so the light does not spread. At the most, there may be a shadow for some time, but there are no halos and no glares which are seen with this lens. It gives excellent distance vision and intermediate vision, and 13% at least would need a tiny +1 add in their spectacles to see very near vision. So this is how we broadly classify the different lenses which are available, which are put in the eye when the patient is opting for a cataract surgery. It is very important at that time to examine the rest of the eye. In case the patient has any eye disease in the cornea, or having uncontrolled glaucoma, or having a retinal problem, he would not be fit for the extended technology lenses like the EDOF or the trifocal, and sometimes they are not fit for toric lenses also if the cylindrical power is very irregular, means different in different axes, not just in one axis. So it is very important to have the right fit for the right patient with the best possible choice lens which is suitable for their lifestyle and their eye. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Neeta Shah from Agarwal Eye Hospital, Chembur.